Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Financial Literacy Class 101. Today I'm going to take you through a very interesting topic: bad debt versus good debt. I really need to define them very clearly. So if you need to reach me out, this is my phone number for any business consultation. And today's topic is good debt versus bad debt. Bad debt. So, what is this good debt? Debt is that facilitation that somebody offers you either financially so that you may pursue your projects, and later you will be able to refund them with an interest. So good debt, one thing, it generates income and increases your wealth. So that's the clear definition. It generates income and it increases your wealth. Then in overall, it improves your lifestyle. So sometimes debt is not only about increasing your wealth or increasing your finances or increasing money in your bank. It might improve you in overall. So bad debt, it has no long term or any financial benefit. It has no financial benefit, and it hurts your finances due to high interest. You will find that the amount of interest you are paying is not worth. Then it lacks value of increase. After all, once you are able to figure out, you will find that surely this thing was not worth the effort that I've incurred to get these stuff. It is so high. So let me give an examples of good debt, bad debt. Examples of a good debt is a mortgage loan. Once you pick a mortgage loan, it means one thing: you've improved your status. Now you are living in a stable living. Your status quo socially has improved. Then again, mortgage, the house increases value over time. Then again, in mortgage loan, you can always use that house as a collateral to acquire now a loan to construct a business. Once you show the business the way you've been making your monthly installment, that can be used. The way you've been paying your mortgage, it can be used as a collateral to acquire now the loan to buy a house. So that is the mortgage loan. We've said it improves the standard of living. Then a student loan, especially maybe the help. You see, the student is normally picks that loan. Once they pick the loan, they will go in school, acquire a degree. A degree has given them adequate skills that have increased their value in the employment world, and they will get a better pay and a salary job. Once the salary job, the amount that the job is paying is more than the monthly installment that they are supposed to pay for the loan. So with 2 to 3 years, they'll be able to clear the debt, and that becomes a good loan. So that is it. Then we get to finance loans. Finance loans is like I have a video that I've created, the easiest way how you're supposed to phrase yourself so that the bank confirms that you're credible to qualify for a 7 million loan. That's what I'm talking about, the finance loan. Watch it in my YouTube channel. You will find the video there. So finance loan, the importance of picking a finance loan is that the loan itself will be facilitating the monthly installment. So the moment you pick the loan, all that you are needed is your credibility, and you qualify to get the loan. Once you get the loan, especially if it's in asset financing, which is even better, which do not need collateral. Collateral is the asset that I'm buying. So you will not find that you are sticking your title deed, your plot, your mortgage house. You will find the asset is the one that is the collateral. Such loans are important because you will find if you pick asset financing and start a business, or buy a bus, which a bus is a business, the bus will be paying monthly installment. So that becomes a good loan. That's a good loan. That's a good debt. So a bad debt. A bad debt, this is the type of loan that you hear people saying, usinieke kwa hii namba, eka kwa ile namba ingine juu utakula na fuliza. You meet, you're always in stress. Those are the irrelevant loans. So let me take you through examples of bad debt. It is using your credit card to buy consumable like clothes. Once you pick a loan to buy asset like you pick a loan to buy a TV in your house, you pick a loan to buy luxury clothes. At the end of it, these things will depreciate in value. Or a clear example is picking a loan to buy simu ya mkopo. Simu ya mkopo itself is a bad debt. Because if you see a phone that is worth the buying price at 13,000, then you pick simu ya mkopo which you are paying on a daily basis. By 90 days or 6 months, you will meet that you are paying almost 2 times the same amount. So that becomes a bad debt. So picking credit card loans to buy luxurious clothes that depreciate with time. Depreciate in value in time, because if you buy an electronic, if I buy a phone, or if I buy a TV, immediately the TV is outside the seller's shop, it has decreased the value. I cannot sell it at the price that I got it. So those yeah. So another bad debt is advance payday loans. You meet in employment world, people normally before the 30th, because we have a problem with financial literacy, they are not able to have control of their finances. Before the month ends, their needs are so urgent, and they surpass because they have not budgeted for everything. You meet, once they do that, they'll apply for advance loan. And this advance loan, they have a very high interest. So these payday advance loans, they lead you to a cycle of borrowing, because once you borrow, you will borrow like 10,000 and repay it as 16,000. So the next month you will have to every month you will be in a culture of borrowing every month. So another thing is automobile loan. To buy automobile loan is you pick a loan to buy an automobile. Maybe you buy luxury car that generates no income. So once we are buying any car is not an issue, but the bad debt is buying a car that you are working in the CBD, you only use it on weekend, then you pick a loan to buy such a car. Such a car with no income. You will find like if a car is worth 2 million Kenya shillings, you will be making installments of around 46,000. If it is 2 million, you pick a loan of 2 million Kenya shillings. This 2 million, the bank will give you a duration of 60 months. These 60 months, every month you will be paying around 49,000. 49,000, you will meet a loan that was around 2 million. You will end up paying almost 900,000 extra as an interest. So you will find the value of the car was initially 2 million, but you've incurred 2.9 million to buy the same car. So we really need to be, that's why we're in this channel. We offer you financial advice to ensure that we boost literacy level in the community, in a goal that one day we'll all be financially successful to attain our financial freedom. So that is a bad debt, because you'll find every month for the next 5 years, every month 49,000 are deducted from your salary. And once they are deducted, after 5 years, that car cannot, the car that was worth 2 million, which you bought it initially this loan for 2 million will have to be paid as 2.9 million at the end of the duration of the 60 months. You will find a car that was 2 million, you bought it at 2.9 million, and after the 5 years it has depreciated. You might this car every time you have to remove money from your pocket, you pay fuel, money from your pocket for service, money from your pocket, parking, money from your pocket. So it is that is a liability that is taking resources from you. So be very cautious. That becomes a bad debt. But in case, if you pick a clear example, I want now to give one type of a loan that in different dynamics becomes a bad debt and another one becomes a good debt. Once you pick a salary loan and make an investment, maybe you pick a salary loan and start a business that is generating income. Pick a salary loan and picking a salary loan is this loan that you pick, which one of the factors the bank considers your credibility is your salary. Those salary hitting your bank account. Once you pick a salary loan and make an investment, that becomes a good debt. Because you will meet, if you start an Uber and it is generating income, the business will be paying the monthly installments, and at the end of the 5 years you will have your business which is generating income. You will still have your salary and you'll be going well. But if you pick a salary loan and go buy consumables, you pick a salary loan, go buy yourself a very luxurious car. In the name you want to go in the village and start frozen and maybe telling people mwalimu wa primary, mwalimu wa math, ulidhania sitafika, hapa ni wapi? Once you do that, you will find that that becomes automatically a bad debt, because you are buying you've bought the loan you are using to buy consumable things that do not appreciate. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Financial Literacy Class 101. I'm sure you appreciate our content. More content is loading. Thank you.